Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the Latitude Rugged 7030 10-inch tablet, rotating hand strap, and the magnetic mount. Let's jump in. So up first is the rotating hand strap. Let's go ahead and pop the seal. Pretty straightforward. We do have our rotation there. You will see your screws that will go into the back of your rugged tablet. And then one thing that I love is you do have a spot for your active pen. So this would be the rotating hand strap. Let's get the rotating hand strap plugged in. It's a little easier with a screwdriver. Rotate that. Next, we have the magnetic mount. Pretty sweet. So this is the magnetic. Screws directly onto the back of the tablet. And again, quick little spot for your active pen. Let's go ahead and install the mount. Little thumb screws. Goes right into the VESA pattern. Could use a screwdriver if I wanted to. Let's make sure it's all tight. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the rotating hand strap for our Latitude Rugged 10-inch tablet, field worker, engineer, utility, hospitality. Definitely pretty slick from an ecosystem standpoint. And over here, we do have the magnetic mount that can be used on any magnetic surface. Think about a forklift. You want to plop this up, you're more than welcome to. So again, thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Take care.